front of me is INFINIX Note 30 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this INFINIX. First of all, go into Play Store to download fully free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare2 Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. And thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. If you wanna, you can always go into dashboard and click on all of those sections here, not only to read all about it from the pop-up, but also because when you tap on settings at the bottom right corner of each one, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!